INDRICK BOREALE served as a captain of the Blood Ravens during the era Indomitus. Assuming the duty as force commander during the Kuarava Campaign, Boreale commanded 5 companies of his chapter in his attempt to repel invasion of the sector from Xenos and heretic opposition. A student of 3rd Captain Gabriel Angelos, Boreale favored the drop pod tactic known as Steel Rain to overwhelm his enemies rather than utilize static defensive positions. Armed with a power mace known as Rogel's Fist, as he teleported into the fray by virtue of his back-mounted teleportation device, INDRICK BOREALE's martial skill had earned him many battle honors, such as his ornate artificer armor and worthiness to be adorned with an iron halo. Despite the reputation of his chapter, conflicting orders would force the Blood Ravens to take up arms against allies of the Imperium, including the 252nd Conservator Regiment of the Astra Militarum and Order of the Sacred Rose of the Adepta Sororitas. Unable to achieve victory during the Kuarava Campaign, Scout Sergeant Cyrus of the Blood Ravens laments to this day the loss of INDRICK BOREALE during the ill-fated defense of the Lands of Solitude within Kuarava II's northern continent. The loss of 5 companies, comprising half of the entire chapter's strength, the Blood Ravens following the failed campaign became more reliant on their recruitment grounds of subsector Aurelia to replenish their numbers. The legacy of this once revered captain, tarnished due to his action imperiling the survival of his chapter.